Education. People gonna always need to be educated, whether it's on a free platform like YouTube, whether it's Google, whether it's TV, whether it's sitting in a classroom. Nowadays, you don't even have to sit in the classroom anymore. You can create a school for yourself. Whatever knowledge you can have, you can create a class, you can share it on YouTube, you can put it on any type of social media and get a band of people willing to come and listen to your information. And then you can charge them. Snap, snap, snap. It's not a simple process, but it can be done. All of us have a skill that is teachable, and there's somebody out there that wants to learn it that's coachable. Education. It will never go anywhere. Schools will always exist, may not be the one around the corner. They may consolidate. They may become one institution, consolidation, but education will always exist because people need to be educated about something. Education, training. I love training people. I love sharing information of how people can do things better and different. Training will always be in existence. Why? Because employers want you to come in and train their staff. They want you to show them how they can be more productive in doing what they're doing. Education training ain't going nowhere. That's number 7.